The Synergex Resource Center community is the place to connect with your Synergex partners and fellow Synergy DVL developers. In the Ideas section, you can discuss ideas for improving Synergy products and services. Here, you'll see the most recent ideas submitted by others in the community. To share your own idea, first check to see if it has already been posted by searching for it in the search bar here. After you've confirmed that the idea won't be a duplicate, click Continue to Post, and you'll be able to post your idea to the community. Fill in the title and add a description of your idea below. Next, select the topic categories to help others find your ideas. Then click Post. And just like that, you've posted your idea to the community. Let's head back to the Ideas homepage. You can also vote for other ideas that have been posted. To do this, click on an idea you think would be useful. Then, show your support and interest in the idea by clicking on the Vote button. You can also add a comment to any idea. Synergex updates the status of ideas when they've been reviewed. You can check this out from the main Ideas page. We can narrow down the results here. For example, we can see what ideas have been accepted, are coming soon, or have been delivered already. When we select Delivered, we only see ideas that have been incorporated into our products and services. If you want to receive notifications when others interact with your posts and community, click on Settings up at the top to select your desired email frequency and ensure you're notified of new activity on posts that you care about. Now you're ready to vote for your favorite ideas or share your own in community. Join us in the Synergex Resource Center now by using the link in the description of this video. Or learn how to ask questions and receive answers on all things Synergy by clicking on the video here.